Hi everyone, I'm so excited to be recording this again. We just finished the day one of Zoom partner event. It was so exciting to meet Zoom colleagues and other service integrators. By the way, Zoom is conducting really unique partner sessions as there is a lot of hands on training and hands on lab recreates we are doing on the test tenant that we have got. Is just great. The biggest takeaway of day one session was Zoom is the most innovative, easy to use, both from a user's perspective and admin, seamless, secure, and cost effective UCaaS solution solving real life problems out there in the market today. Zoom is just beyond selling licenses with a bunch of features that other vendors do, as you're aware. However, having said that, Zoom really needs to work on customer penetration within the enterprise space globally. They have a great usable product and should be used by every country. Should be used by every company, irrespective of them using Microsoft Teams or Cisco WebEx or others as their collaboration tool. Now, for example, if an organization chooses Microsoft Teams as their collaboration tool, they can still use Zoom for meeting rooms. By choosing Zoom for meeting rooms and buying Zoom Room license, they will enable unlimited digital signage capability, which is part of Zoom meeting room license queue. This will enable Zoom kiosk mode, enable workplace reservations for all the offices, and so on. No other UCaaS provider in this space is giving this capability today, and don't think the situation will change tomorrow. Now, to talk about the complete day, there were almost 7 to 8 sessions on day one, and the program started with a live demo whereby the Zoom representatives had shown an end-to-end use case of a day in the life of a user, which constitutes features like seamless experience on Zoom application across mobile, laptop, and other devices, including using Zoom app on Tesla. Then there was a showcase on Zoom Contact Center dashboard, and from the same screen, you can jump to a workplace reservation, virtual receptionist, etc. So you don't have to change screens. Then and several other features were shown, which will be part of day one, day two, and day three. The deep dives. Now, the amazing thing was it was excellent to see the real time application of the use case in a live demo. After the live demo, Zoom's SEs dive deep on Zoom Room capability and the licensing model. So basically, the next session was around Zoom Rooms. So one Zoom Room license includes Zoom Room, 10 scheduling displays, unlimited digital signage, whiteboard, and virtual kiosk. Now, you can also buy standalone whiteboard and kiosk licenses if you're not using Zoom Room license for Zoom Rooms. And in the hands-on lab which we got, we created our rooms, we created virtual kiosk, and everything was so easy to do from one portal. Also, with Zoom's flexibility using Zoom CRC, you can basically join meetings on Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx, and we did a live demo here on a neat device compatible for Zoom. And also, you could use CRC API to join SIP H323 meetings from Cisco Poly. So it's just very flexible, and everything is one touch to join. The third session was on Zoom Workplace Reservation. Did you know that Zoom has built desk or room booking solution? Now you can book desk and rooms from any device with Zoom app, uh, from any device basically, with the Zoom application. And the application was amazing. It was so easy to set up the workplace reservation, so easy to book, so easy to check in, check out, and with a lot of amazing features. Just to, you know, I will not be able to cover everything in this few minutes of video. I will deep dive into every topic later on, but this is just to tell you what I've been exposed to in the past 1 or 2 days. The fourth session was by a Zoom partner, Jabra, where they showcase their products and offerings and what they're doing in the space with Zoom. The next session was from Logitech with their amazing capabilities on the devices that they have. The sixth session was by Zoom on virtual kiosk and virtual reception. Now, on Zoom, you can set up a virtual kiosk with customizable buttons. So, on the Zoom hardware device, obviously, it could be a Neat device or a Poly device or Logitech. You just need the activation key to log in, and the kiosk is ready. Now, the kiosk can have multiple buttons. You could have the application of kiosk can be endless. You can put it anywhere you like, and it's just great to work with. It's so customizable. Similarly, for virtual reception, it was so easy to set up the virtual reception. We just uh, created the reception in the admin portal, and you can add where the call needs to land when a user touches the virtual reception button on the kiosk mode, and the call will directly go to a Zoom client on the other end, far end, and you could have a virtual reception setup where you could do a lot of integrations, maybe at the reception or other places where you can put this device with a virtual reception, and you can easily let check in guests, check out guests virtually. Seventh session was by Poly, where they showcased a number of products and offerings. The biggest thing is Poly is one of the biggest hardware provider for Zoom. They have over 100 products certified with Zoom, which is a huge thing, and Zoom acknowledges that. The highlight of the session was Poly's Edge series phones for Zoom, intelligent director capability on their newly built compute devices for Zoom rooms on Windows, and there were several other things. Now, let me know in comments below what is intelligent director, and if do you know about intelligent director. The last session was in Zoom digital signage and whiteboard. Basically, whiteboard is an infinite canvas that Zoom has, and there are hundreds of templates that you could reuse, project management templates, Kanban, and you could use any template that Zoom already has and just start jotting down or brainstorming ideas. You don't really need to start a meeting to create a whiteboard. You can also create a whiteboard on your mobile app, and you can start brainstorming ideas. Zoom Whiteboard is competing with the likes of Mural, Miro, etc., and offers the cheapest and the best solution for whiteboard today. Even the free plan, the basic plan, has 3 whiteboards for free. And similarly for digital signage, um, an important thing to note and very unique thing to note is with one Zoom license, you could pretty much enable unlimited digital signage across your enterprise. So imagine a company having 10,000 employees, 50 plus offices, and only one Zoom room license. This basically will enable this company to enable digital signage across those 50 offices with just one room license. So that's the power of the Zoom room license that Zoom has created. And you just need a display to showcase the content and create the content on admin portal. Now the content can be a file, it could be an image file, it could be a video file, it could be a YouTube stream, it could be a live content from any website or it could be an application integration, it could be some other website. The possibilities are limitless. You could, literally showcase any type of content, and that too with across the organization with one Zoom room license. Obviously, because of this power, you would definitely enable more Zoom rooms, but this is how the capability is today. And that's pretty much it. Then there were booths by Logitech, Poly, Audio Codes, Neat, where they had their devices and everything, where you can do hands-on with those devices. And it was an amazing day with a lot of hands-on experience. And obviously, the day ended with a dinner and drinks at a very lively location. And not to miss, we got an excellent bag and a Poly headset as a goodie in the goodie bag, and it's just super. The gifts and the reception was very super, and the obviously the Zoom capability is excellent. Looking forward to day 2 and day 3 now. Thank you.